Sit back and relax for this video full of bloopers. I was going to scrap it, but it was kind of humorous. First, you'll notice the eyes on the shelf sitters and Santa on the mantle. Actually kind of spooky, not really the charming Christmassy look I was going for. Next, you can see the glass of water left for Santa, although the better choice, health-wise, it was supposed to be a glass of milk. Now let's take a moment to unwind with the fire as we wait for our surprise ending. It is funny, but I prompted Snowstorm, and this is what I got instead. Wait for it.